You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Brand name. For more confusing brand names, make sure to stay tuned. A Science Applications International Corporation, American Defense Aviation, Information Technology. Leidos. Not Leidos. I know it looks like it should be pronounced Leidos, but Leidos. Leidos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.